Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's me, Jeremy Alexander Newsome with RealLifeTrading.com. Hope everyone's been phenomenal. SPY on the board, good grief! Woo! Safe to say that there is a little volatility out there in the market. Let me tell you one reason why you should probably be in the afternoon swing trading floor. For those who are not in the afternoon swing trading floor, roll that clip of Monday. We'll look at it in a bit, but yeah, I mean, as we get down here, what I'm looking for is what type of volatility can we get into. I think 252 is a possibility where we gap down tomorrow, we trade higher and fill the gap, and then we probably roll down into the 200 or very close to it and start chopping around. My thought is we're going to do something like this, and some kind of curvature like that. Feel free to take a screenshot of this. It makes a lot of sense to me that we're going to have that retest, that roll lower. Ladies and gentlemen, that was on Monday. Right? Monday! Like 4 days ago. Phenomenal! That's incredible. I mean, come on. What more could you possibly want? I mean, got it down to the penny, my friends. You had a phenomenal gap down. It retraced. Look at this shooting star. How do you not go bearish after seeing this shooting star? I don't know. And then a beautiful roll down, and look where we trade to today. I mean, we've never seen that before. Bouncing off the 200. Why would that occur? I don't know. It's a mystery. Pure mystery. There was blood in the streets at some point today. Man, oh man. But it's okay. This is exactly what we have been planning for in the afternoon swing trading floor since Monday. So again, if you're not in there, folks, it's you're losing money by not being in there. Just throwing that out there. Beautiful bouncing opportunity. Look at this 5-minute chart, and some traders just wrecked this thing today. This is the bat pattern. You got this nice little shaved top candle, and you came up to this resistance. This is the resistance area. Old resistance, it broke through there, retested it. I mean, just fantastic. So easy, so nice, so crisp, so clean, so fresh and so clean. Let's go pull up another one that also bounced off the 200, which again, I mean, I don't know how anyone could have possibly anticipated or expected this stock to do what it did today. It seems to me that there's no way possible that one could have thought 3 days ago that Facebook could have traded down to the 200 simple moving average on the daily chart and bounce. Unless, of course, you follow Real Life Trading and TradingView, which is entirely for free, and you'll see that your boy, Mr. Squiggles, was throwing down some brain food for the world to enjoy. Soak up, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, that is delicious. Grab your fork and your spoon and your handkerchief. Trade right down to the 200 simple. It closed at 176 today. That's 8 points, my friends, off the 200. Fantastic. And again, if you hop over to Slack, which this is the trading room Slack that all the traders who are in the morning or trading room have access to. Let me kind of scroll up here today. Scrolling, has some great chatting. But there he is, Ahmed. So they got in bullish off of Facebook, off the 200 simple moving average. There's a 105 central 2 hours ago. Woo-hoo! Anyway, so yeah, a lot of traders were planning that. It's not like we just threw it out there and no one used it. So I like it. I'm excited to see what's going to happen. Congratulations. That's my thoughts on Facebook. So enough bragging from me. Sorry about that. Just, you know, it is what it is, and guys, if you're in real life trading, you're crushing it the last few weeks. And if you're not, it's okay. We'll help you. We'll help you crush it. There's always opportunities out there. There's always money to be made in the market. Had a lot of requests for today. Let's get started. Amazon, AMZN. Now this one I did miss. I missed Amazon. So what it did is I had you see this pink line, right? So this pink line, hashtag Mr. Squiggles. This was me wanting to get in bullish on a pullback, and I wanted to get in, and my actual option order got filled yesterday as the market was tanking. Got stopped out of it today, and then I couldn't get my limit buy order filled in time for the second setup, which was off of the 50. I did talk about that yesterday though, in the afternoon swing trading floor was, hey, if I get stopped out on this move, that's fine. Look to buy it off the 50. I'm sure someone else out there did, but I missed it. Couldn't be anything. We were in the trading room together this morning, Friday, all day, and it was just an absolute blasty blast. Anyone in the morning room? I think my buddy Doug made like 15 R's on UPS, something just outrageous. We traded iRobot with our eyes closed, made some good money on that. It was just a very, very fun day to be in the morning trading room, if I do say so myself. Here's Twitter. Twitter, you have a white candle gapping up. Retest gap, and it's retesting. You, again, just a bunch of buyers, right? Very nice fade. So I did fade Twitter yesterday off the 5-minute chart. Here's a 5-minute time frame. And you got that nice 5-minute bullish candle entry here, stop there, and I got out right there for an R because I also had puts on earnings over Twitter. So I had an R loss on those. And anyway, just beautiful. So what now? What next? This is a really strong resistance here at 3101. If I zoom out on the weekly chart, you can see that there's the weekly time frame, some good volume coming in. So we'll probably expect some type of pullback to occur on Twitter, but you know, if you're hopping into the hourly chart, realistically, this is going to be a nice little setup. If you're looking at playing Twitter bullish, I would say pop, get in on a pullback, and then hopefully she bounces. That would be my thoughts on Twitter. Here's Visa, ticker symbol V, and Visa today also pulled down to some really good levels. And by good levels, I mean the 100 simple moving average. So you had a phenomenal bearish gap and go on the 2nd of February, and then it goed, and then a trade down, and then it retested, and then trade down again. So this candle was a day of trapping. This was a good trapping candle for a lot of people. And I did mention all week long in the afternoon swing trading floor that this was going to be some traps set out there in the markets. Talked about something called puke orders where you can have some nice low limit buys and see if you can get filled on some stuff. So anyway, overall, Visa doing its thing. Nice trade down. It also pulled into old resistance, new support right there. So from here, we probably have a gap down or some inside day candles, more than likely on Monday, Tuesday. And we could easily continue higher, but I think it is my thought, this is it. All right, this is the bounce. I'm thinking this is it on the pullback. We got the bounce today. And we will know if we are wrong, if I'm wrong, if we close below the low of today on most markets. Most markets, you're going to have this ginormous hammer candle. So that's how you'll know. If we close below the low of today, something seriously happening. I said the exact same thing if we're going to close below the low of this candle, and we did. So on many stocks, we did close below the low of that candle, and we did sell off another 1.5%, almost 2% on most things, giving a lot of traders some heads up that, hey, we're going to sell off some more, and we did, and we made some money. We're going to talk about that in a second. Intuit actually never closed below this, ironically enough. Never quite did it. So this candle, if you're playing Intuit, I would look to do a limit buy off of 155 with a stop below the low of today's candle. Here's ticker symbol ACN. ACN, again, most of these stocks look almost identical. This one I would not have gotten filled on. I would have wanted to buy off the 100 and just didn't quite get there. So again, if you get a little bit of a pullback or a rest on Monday, Tuesday, you can look for some buying opportunities potentially. Dollar General, ticker symbol DG, got this blue line. In fact, here we go again. Sorry, gonna have to do it. Dollar General, I can teach you all this stuff, folks, for free. If you want more hand-holding, I can do private coaching. If you want to be in the rooms, be in the rooms. This community is legit. We are the best on the planet, in my opinion. There's no other place to be. Get signed up for real life trading. Look at this. Look at this. So this was the analysis back on January 12th, so about a month ago. Mentioned buy the dip, 95.60. Booyakasha! Jan from the 3-point line. Nice retest on Dollar General. That's the old resistance, new support. That's the spot that you would have bought. And again, that doesn't mean it's going to work, but it's working right now. So if it closes below the low of Tuesday's candle, be a little bit more bearish. Dollar General, one of the few stocks that did not do that. So this retest on DG looks really toasty. Here's Dollar Tree, DLTR, and Dollar Tree also didn't quite get to the 100, but Dollar Tree and Dollar General pretty solid, similar, big, huge run up obvious pullback was about to take place. And that's kind of what we're getting. We're getting some volatility. We're getting some gaps. I mentioned to a lot of my traders in the afternoon swing trading rooms, be fast, be quick, be nimble. This market is phenomenal for day traders. If you are longer term investing, just close your eyes, go away, and come back in 3 or 4 months. And if you're swing trading, it is going to be very quick, in and out on the same day on most trades. In fact, here's a trade that we set up just yesterday on BABA. That's right, Alibaba. So Alibaba, we were doing a limit buy of some puts at $7. This is a March 175 put. That did fill today. And at the low, that option almost doubled. It went up to 11.87. So we were able to take about a little bit more than half an hour on BABA today. I texted everybody in our Slack group, right, talking about text alert services. Let me scroll down. Right here. Go ahead and take your profits on BABA puts. SPY hit the 200 and it's bouncing. Again, that was 1:07 p.m. 1:07 p.m. So that was well plenty of market left to make some money on that bounce. But anyway, I said, hey, go ahead and exit, get your gains, take it off the table. So we're fully out of BABA. That was a swing trade. We placed it yesterday. We got out today. Money in the bank. Shawty, what you think? Here's ticker symbol DOV, Dover. Dover, high wave candle, also at the 100 simple. So I would say if we can get a close above the high of today, that would look a little bit more bullish than bearish. ECA is really getting shredded. This one's not stopping at all. If this is an energy company, it looks like an energy. Yep, oil and gas. So trading down to the 100 simple on a weekly chart, it's a pretty big deal. We have bounced from there before. And if we're going to do it again, I mean, this is the area. So if you're looking at playing ECA, earnings are around the corner. Just keep that in mind. If you're buying here, I would tiptoe in, right? Right off the 100, you got this little double bottom neckline over here. Put in some shares, and then if it gets down to $8.30, you can maybe buy some more. And then really, if it breaks 721, I would just get out and then probably be able to buy it at 4. But ECA, if it's here, it should bounce if it's going to at all. And last of the requests, here's USB. US Bank Corp, very volatile. Most financials are right now. I would love a pullback to 50 on this. Is that going to happen? Probably not, but I guess you never know. So I'd love a pullback to the 50 area on US Bank Corp. Most stocks, most financials were just too silly high. Silly. It was silly. So this pullback makes sense. I like it. You have a ginormous hammer on the daily. Volatility traders have been loving the market, selling all kinds of premiums. I got traders been emailing me 3 times a day, different traders with put sales that they got going on, getting in, taking advantage of the volatility. Dean sold some puts on Netflix today, way down there at 185. Brian Shepard has all kinds of put sales for PayPal, and Brian Weber had one on Intel, INTC, gorgeous hammer on Intel right there. Just all kinds of cool stuff going on, folks. I love it. Here's Square, by the way, in Square, right off the 100 simple moving average, just like we discussed in the afternoon swing trading rooms. I'm just going to say it again. If you want to get in, you all know how. Hop over to reallifetrading.com. Click on premiums. Go to the trading rooms, get in. You missed the exceptional deal that we had if you're not already in, but otherwise, hey, you know, it's valuable, folks. There is value in it. I love you. Have a good weekend, and until next time, level up, trade. Bye.